How to add stops in Lyft. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add rides or how you can add stops in between your destination on Lyft app. Now the process is actually quite simple, so let me guide it through. Simply open up your Lyft app. There you'll get an interface like this. Now unfortunately it's not unavailable in my region, but I'll just tap on try another location just to show you guys. Now here, while you book your ride, you can see the start location, you can see destination, and between them at the right hand side you can see the little plus icon there. All you have to do is you can simply tap on plus icon there and you'll be able to add stop there. You can see you can add stop if you have saved your work, home, or if you want to add another location you can simply search in, or you can choose it from your map as well. So you can add in your stop there and you can add in your destination as well, and you'll be good to go. You won't be able to add multiple stops, however you can only add one stop, and you'll have to keep it certain that 10 minutes, because if you keep it longer then they might ask you to change your ride or get another driver. So this way you can add stops in Lyft. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.